Understand how to create an account. Now the next thing to know to understand is how to trade. How to trade is one of the very important and significant factor that we should all have to pay a very serious attention on. Trading require a full-time dedication, a full knowledge about market analysis. You need to be a kind of very updated in terms of fundamental. That is the news, that is the fundamental analysis as well. You should also have that knowledge of you following the market structure, understanding the trend which the market is, whether market is in uptrend, downtrend, or consolidating. That is when market is what under indecision. So now when we go to the market like this, we have different pairs. We have the forex, the crypto, the metals, the indices, the stocks, all inside this application. But remember, the stocks, metals, indices, forex is traded only on the weekdays. But you can trade crypto 247, no weekend, because they are digital asset. They are not like the currency. The things we trade, the currency, which is the forex section, that is where you trade currencies. So when we talk about currencies, we are talking about kudade na duniya. So but when we talk about the crypto, muna magana ne akan me ainihin abu ne wanda yake da daraja, an bashi daraja, amma ba wai abu bane wanda yake zaka iya ka taba. We call it digital asset. So abin da nake so ku gane kenan. So now say mu dauki example, we take like BTC now, and we say we want to analyze BTC. I think I have taken a trade, right? And we see the trade I have taken while I was making video on registration is already giving us profit, because I told you that BTC is gonna buy, and buying is already on process. So now the next thing I want to show you is basically on this BTC as well. You see this BTC, you have to check it on different time frame. The BTC has buy up to 94,554, which is the highest buying at this time frame, under 4-hour time frame, and it sold down to 87,688. Now we have a very strong resistance at this level. So if you notice that if you notice down here, you will see that there is a line here where the market normally tap, and then from this area the market will keep going. This line, we call it a support line. We have a strong support here below. Then the down here, we have a resistance also here. So now if you have to take anything, if you want to buy, you have to like check, or maybe let me just say, take your buying from this down and expect a profit from this up. If you are selling, you have to wait for the market to come to this up, and then you now follow it down. So this is how to trade. So, and after you have analyzed your market, look at it under higher time frame, you can come to 15 minutes so that you can now take the perfect entry of that market. Now I have taken it to 15 minutes now, as you can all see. So if I'm looking for buying opportunity, definitely this 89.4 something will always be my my stop loss. Below it will be my stop loss. Then around 89,200 will be my entry, so that if I just buy, once the market just come, the market will now just carry me and started buying continuously. I hope we are all understanding. So now buying, or let me just say, to trade, you always need what? You always need a very serious knowledge and understanding about the market chart. You don't just go to the market and take a trade without seriously identifying that what is happening in that market, and that can expose you to a very significant loss. Now we look at it like this. As I said, BTC, right? And we say we want to take a very serious buy on this BTC. So, and we say we have to wait for the market to come and pick us. Then if you want to see market in full, you tap on this, it will turn your screen like this. Then it will help you to view the market clearly. I hope you are all seeing how this market is buying. So this is it. That is very good. Now I will remove. So now here, as I said, here we have a very strong resistance here. Here will be my entry now. Here. It's 9,800. It's under 5-minute time frame. I'll wait for the market to come here so that I'll buy it. Then where do you expect my SL to be? Let's take it to 15 minutes. Alright. We want to identify the, so we have a very strong support here, as you can all see here, around 89,389, right? So now I will just take it like this, long position. I hope you are all seeing it here. Then our SL will come here below this liquidity. Then remember, we this market have solidly sell, and we are expecting this market to buy up to around 90 something, 94. Let me just check. Around here, we are expecting that this market can buy around here. So in that regard, this is our clear view of the market. We wait for the market to tap us, then it started going. Then our SL will be around here. Stop loss, we call it stop loss. So this is a brief explanation on how to analyze market. You see that trade is giving us 1.4, right? So that is it. Taking the market back. So now after you have analyzed, you do anything, then you follow the chart, and then you now take a trade. How to take a trade? If you are buying, you are just clicking on buy, bam. If you are selling, you are just clicking on sell, bam, after analyzing. But if you analyze but market will not reach where you want it to come, if you want to buy, if here you have pending order, where do you think the market will come? We say market will come to 89,380. So, and the TP, we are expecting it to, our SL, let it close at 89, let's just say below will be 200. Then our TP, which is 1.8, is too small, the SL is too small. We are expecting 93,000, right? As our TP, so which is $36. So let the 89 be our SL, understand? $1.8. Then we are targeting a profit of almost $36. We click on buy. We allow market will continue doing a thing, bang, 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 until it gives you what you want. All the best. This is how to set market order and depending order, and then how to set TPS, right? So this is all about that. You can trade other PS like that. You look at the market, you look at what is happening to the tokens, and then you now take a grab on what you want to trade. That's